take all rubbish off, Mom.
Okay, so I'm trying to film.
You want pink scissors?
Oh, wow.
Shoot for Spoobie's house.
Yeah. This is the reality of being a mom. Some days you want to film a video and you can't because you're kids. I picked up this nazmia. No, you can't. Then I with the jacket. So with
Mommy got some.
Oh.
Sorry.
Hey babe.
Hey babe.
Let's go.
Mommy, what's this, Mom?
That's for my glasses. Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm sorry this video is a little bit badly filmed, but I've got two kids. I've been trying to use my new camera, but for some reason I can't use the remote control and it doesn't focus by itself. It's not an autofocus lens. Settings all over the place because honestly it's been so difficult trying to film with both kids, and I did a channel mom takeover today and it was crazy. So I'm gonna try. I really want to film my Primark haul.
Asleep. Hello, my baby. Asleep.
Well done, good girl. Right, because I need to put stuff away and it's been a day already, so I thought let me just do it anyway. So we're gonna get right to it. One of the bits I picked up from the baby section was this gorgeous three-piece outfit for Yasin, and it was £14 and I got it 9 to 12 months, and it just looks like this. It's got a cute little bow, and I picked up this shirt for him. This was £4.50 and it's just this gorgeous mustard and navy shirt, and actually I think those trousers would look really nice with this outfit because as you can see they match so nicely. Posted a picture on my stories of him wearing this hat and it's so cute, and I picked this hat up. Good. That was £3 for the hat. So for my sister I picked this up. And socks, guess who they're for?
They're for... What is it there for?
They're for Yasin. Yeah. So I picked up this faux pant from the home section. It was £8. And this picked up some socks for Ilyas. They were £2. I kind of wish I got more. So this is to attach onto your glasses.
On top, on top.
Yeah. Yeah.
On top.
And it was £3, and I just thought also it can make a really cool necklace if I'm not wearing it on my glasses. Picked up an LOL top for nazmia because she is obsessed with us. She's just so in love with LOL right now. Got some jeans for nazmia. I love the Primark jeans. They fit her so well, so I got her two, one for now and one for when she starts school, and they were £4.50.
And that shoes.
Oh yeah, and your shoes here. Let's show them your shoes. Also, if you guys have daughters who are really into Frozen, they have Frozen shoes. So I picked up these. I love them. I got nazmia some shoes, just like casual everyday shoes if she's just going to her grandparents' house just to throw on, but still looks cute. Oh, and then I picked her some white jeans as well. I really like these. These were £6. Here's your socks. Got you some socks for when you go to Habuba's house and when you go to a party.
Yeah.
Got her these. Oh, and then I picked up this bow for nazmia. This cute little bow. We've got a party on Sunday. She's gonna wear that.
Yeah.
So these are the earrings and they're so pretty. I wanted to get more jewelry, but honestly shopping with both the kids, so I went with both of them. If you want to go to the one in Birmingham, go in the evenings or late afternoons, because it was empty. Like, it was so nice. It wasn't empty, there were people inside, but there were no queues. No queues for lifts, no queues to go in, no queues at the checkout. Like, it was so good. So they've got this new section which is like a whole natural section, and I think it's called, I can't remember, but anyway I picked up this robe and it's got a hood on it and it's a short robe, and I love this color. I love this robe, and I love it because it looks like a jumper. So like if I'm taking the bins out, if I'm getting my parcels, if I'm in the garden and stuff, I can wear this and it does not look like a robe. I got a two-piece. I actually wanted to get a lot of their two pieces, but they didn't have trousers in most of them, and I thought there's no point me getting half the two-piece because I wanted it together. So the first thing I picked up was this trench coat, super thin, so this is perfect for summer to keep modest.
I want to wear this now.
You want to wear it now?
Yeah.
With the trench, I got these trousers, and they're just really wide leg trousers. I love them. I picked up these really nice trousers. I've been looking for a pair of trousers like this for ages, and to be honest, I actually want to go and see if they've got any more colors in these. I didn't pick up that many clothes for myself because really I needed to try them on at home and see if the size fits, because I wasn't sure if I'm a 12, if I'm a 14, what if the 12 is too big, what if it's too small. Like I didn't want to risk it and buy a bunch of stuff, so I thought let me get 2 pairs of trousers. I can try them on. These are the trousers on. I really like them. They fit very nice. I wouldn't wear it with this jumper because it's a little bit immodest for me, but I really like these trousers, and I like the way they fit. I don't need to cut these trousers. They actually fit me so well, like this, as you can see.
I'm hiding. I'm hiding.
So this is the end of my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so sorry if it was all over the place, but I really wanted to share the stuff, and I wanted to start wearing them out from tomorrow, so I had to show it today. But yeah, this is what's new in Primark and what I got. And if you want me to do a lookbook with the stuff that I got, because I'm going to go back and I want to get some, like a few other bits. I just need a few more trousers. I literally have no trousers in my wardrobe right now because none fit me from pre-pregnancy. So yeah, and I shall catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Please subscribe.